In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product URL in Shopify quick and easy tutorial. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to update a product's URL, also called the handle, and make sure all your existing links continue to work. This is great when you've renamed a product or want a clearer, more SEO-friendly address. Start by opening your Shopify admin in your browser and signing in if prompted. From the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and select Products. This takes you to your full product list. Choose the product you want to update. I'll use a long sleeve shirt as an example, but you can select any item from your catalog. Inside the product page, scroll down to the search engine listing section and click Edit. This opens the SEO settings for the product, including the page title, description, and the URL and handle field. Click into the URL and handle field to make your change. Type your new handle carefully. A best practice is to keep it lowercase. Use hyphens between words and avoid spaces, special characters, or very long phrases. For example, if you're specifying a color, you might change classic long sleeve to classic long sleeve white. Short, descriptive, and readable works best for both customers and search engines. When you change the handle, Shopify offers the option to create a URL redirect from the old URL to the new one. Click the prompt or check the box to create the redirect. This is important. It ensures that anyone who has the old link, whether it's from your ads, emails, or search results, will be automatically sent to the new URL, preserving traffic and SEO value. If you see a confirmation or banner about creating the redirect, go ahead and confirm it so the change is locked in. While you're here, you can also refresh the page title and description to match the new URL and product details. Keep the title clear and under roughly 60 characters, and write a concise description that includes key terms your customers would search for. This doesn't add new steps. It simply ensures your SEO settings align with the new handle. Once you're satisfied with the handle and the redirect option is enabled, click Save at the top right of the product page. After saving, Shopify updates the product and activates the redirect. The old link will now point to the new one. If you don't see the change instantly in your browser, give it a moment or clear your cache. That's it. You've successfully changed a product URL in Shopify and protected your traffic with a redirect.